Thank you so much, Madam Chair. Thank you, Minister, for coming to speak with us today. I would like to hear a little bit more about the Canadian Dental Care Plan and how it's rolling out across the country. It was a piece of legislation in the last Parliament that I was particularly happy to support because, of course, we know that this does provide dental coverage for the first time, or for the first time in a very long time, for many Canadians. And it's a significant change for families who've been postponing or avoiding care because of the associated costs. Could you provide an update on access to dental care, including how many Canadians are currently covered and how implementation and uptake are progressing across the various provinces and territories?
Je remercie le membre pour sa question.
I thank the member for the question. I had an update on dental care today. We have over 5 million Canadians who have signed up for the dental care program, 2.8 million who have already received care, $27,000 dental health professionals have provided services to Canadians, and 95% of dental care providers are billing to the dental care plan. This means patients have access to a broad range of providers across the country. So the results are extraordinary. We need to continue pushing the program forward because based on projections, there could be about 10 million people who could be covered under the dental care plan. So there are still Canadians who are not yet aware of the program. So we need to continue promoting it. And something else I'd like to take the opportunity to say, the dental care plan has to be renewed every year. So at the end of March, on April 1st, people will need to renew their card to have access to dental care. So I think I've answered your question.
Actually, just a little bit of further information. So the majority of the provinces in essence and territories are enthusiastic about this program as well. It's sort of something that you've discussed, I have no doubt, with provincial ministers of health, and they have received this very well.
En fait, je pense que, écoutez, le programme.
In fact, the program is good news for Canadians. It's something the federal government has added as a service to people. Dental healthcare is healthcare. We help the provinces, and the provinces see that the program is very beneficial for their residents.
Ils apprécient le programme aussi.
They appreciate the program as well.
So another program that our government has introduced addresses food security, and of course absolutely vital that people have good nutrition, to have good health. So we've announced a number of measures to improve food affordability, including a boost to the GST rebate, significant capital investments to support food businesses, and targeted funding for food banks. So how do you see these initiatives strengthening food security? What do you feel is going to be, in essence, the health outcome for Canadians? Do you see this as an important piece that is part of your responsibility?
Dans cette période d'incertitude économique,
During this time of economic uncertainty, all of the support the government can provide to people will be welcome. Now, it's true, we are providing the GST benefit for people who are vulnerable, but people also have to have access to healthy food to feed themselves. And I made an ECHO announcement last week. It was on the north shore of Montreal, in Thérèse de Blainville, and I visited a grocery store that really had affordable, healthy food for people, for nearby residents. And there I met a mother I didn't know who told me that she appreciated the announcement because she had 2 jobs, and now she felt she'd have a little bit more ability to buy better products for her 2 children. So yes, I think this will provide support to families, and it's for groceries. It's to encourage them to eat better.
You think you're fine? Okay, thank you.